गोकुल में है जिनका वास, गोपियों संग रचाए जो रास, देवकी यशोदा जिनकी मैया, ऐसे है मेरे कृष्ण कन्हैया. A very happy Janmashtami to all. Welcome to 257th episode of Sanskriti Samachar Darpan. Greetings to all our dear viewers. With great joy and enthusiasm, we bring to you the latest edition of Sanskriti Samachar Darpan, where we celebrate the vibrant movements, achievements, and happenings of our beloved Sanskriti family. This bulletin is a reflection of hard work, dedication, and creativity that thrive within our school community. Let's embark on this journey of knowledge, inspiration, and togetherness. Stay tuned and let's unfold the beautiful stories that make our Sanskriti shine brighter each day.
Sanskriti School celebrated its 79th Independence Day with a patriotic fervor. The event began with a flag hosting ceremony followed by cultural programs showcasing India's rich heritage. Students presented songs, dances, and skits, receiving thunderous applause. The principal ma'am addressed the gathering and emphasized the significance of Independence Day and the sacrifices of freedom fighters, urging the students to be the responsible citizen. The celebration concluded with the distribution of sweets and a sense of renewed patriotism.
As part of the grand celebration of Festival of Freedom, our school organized a patriotic dance competition for classes 4th and 5th on 30th August 2025. The event was conducted house-wise with each group presenting vibrant and spirited performances filled with rhythm, energy and love for the nation. Students showcased their immense talent and creativity through graceful moves and powerful expressions that reflected the values of unity, sacrifice and patriotism. The colorful custom synchronized steps and heartfelt performance not only enhanced the festival atmosphere but also ignited a deep sense of national pride among everyone present. The competition aimed at promoting patriotism and instilling culture values while boosting the confidence and enthusiasm of students. It was indeed a memorable event applauded by teachers, students, and judges alike. The winners were honored with words of appreciation, and the event concluded with the message that the spirit of freedom and unity must always lie in our hearts.
On the occasion of 79th Independence Day, a grand celebration was held at the police line jail ground. As part of this celebration, 150 Sanskritians came together to present a beautiful and meaningful performance. This cultural presentation was not only just a display of talent but also a powerful reflection of our nation's rich and glorious journey. Our main objective behind this performance was to portray how the scared land of Bharat has evolved through the ages, from Indus Valley civilization to valor of Shivaji Maharaj, the strength of Shivaji, and finally to the emergence of digital India. Through this performance, we aim to show how Bharat has preserved its identity, embraced change, and moved forward with a pride and purpose. It was a tribute to our history, heritage, and hope, a celebration of the spirit of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Sanskriti celebrated Independence Week with dignity and enthusiasm. It is a great way to instill patriotism and educate students about national history. We conducted many activities in Balvatika like quiz, speeches, poster making on Viksit Bharat, patriotic song competition, cultural programs, tricolor food, and fancy dress in our Balvatika. Thank you.
Sanskriti School recently hosted the district level volleyball competition today. Following the block level competition conducted on 13th August, students from Sanskriti and various other schools of Ashoknagar participated, showcasing the outstanding skill, teamwork, and sportsmanship, impressing teachers and visiting coaches alike. Several talented players have now been selected to represent their school at the state level volleyball competition, bringing pride to their school and their families for this remarkable achievement.
As we come to the end of this week's bulletin, let us take a moment to express our gratitude. We thank Almighty for guiding us, our teachers for their wisdom, and our parents for their endless support. May we all continue to learn, grow, and spread kindness wherever we go. If you found this bulletin really helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel so more people get informed and connected. Stay blessed, stay inspired, and see you soon in the next video.